Hello Year 9. In this short presentation, we'll be looking at the consequences of urbanization. A country can't become developed and become richer unless there is urbanization. Industrialization and urbanization drive wealth and growth. Urbanization creates jobs, increases trade, gives people greater access to goods and services, and rising income means there's more money to spend on cars, houses, clothes, and food. Not everyone benefits when urbanization happens too quickly. There is poverty and a growing gap between rich and poor. Millions miss out on a share of wealth and opportunity. Slums grow when the poor are forced to create their own housing, their own opportunities, their own jobs. Social consequences of urbanization are that it's cheaper and more efficient to provide services and infrastructure for people when they're living together. Ideas and creativity flourish and grow in cities. New ideas lead to new projects. Different cultures living close together can build a wonderfully interesting community. But when people are stressed and their needs are not being met, conflicts grow and violence can escalate between communities. Living close and crowded means more congestion, crime, and pollution. These are some of the environmental consequences of urbanization. Air pollution causes death from cancer, heart disease, heart attacks, stroke, and even premature babies. Extremely hot temperatures are common because of the urban heat island effect. Agricultural land is taken over by the sprawling suburbs. Water resources become polluted and are used up quickly. Floods become common on land that is cleared. Precious habitats for rare and endangered species are lost when land is cleared. This condemns species close to extinction.